Welcome to Smart Healthcare, where we walk with your health one steady step at a time. I'm Dr. David, 60 years old, with over 30 years of experience caring for older adults here in the U.S. Here, we don't just talk about medicine, we share real, science-backed insights to help you live stronger, freer, and with more peace every single day. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of your living room and your legs just didn't feel stable? Or maybe you paused on the stairs, not out of breath, but because something felt off? One of my patients, Helen, she's 67, once said to me, "I still eat well, I walk every day, but lately it's like my body isn't listening anymore. Maybe it's just age?" But I've heard that story again and again, and I'm here to tell you, it's not always aging. Often it's your body quietly asking for help, for something simple yet essential: vitamin D3 and vitamin B12. D3 isn't just the sunshine vitamin. It's your ally for peace of mind and deep, restful sleep. B12, I call it the connection cable between your brain, your emotions, and your legs. Without them, your body doesn't weaken from age. It weakens from lack. Now imagine this, early morning. The world is quiet. You step outside with a warm cup of milk and a quiet determination to start again. That's when vitamin B1 comes in, the forgotten fuel that powers your legs. It converts food into energy. Without it, your legs feel heavy, like a car running on empty. Carl, a 72-year-old patient of mine, told me, "I used to hold on to the stair railing, gasping, but after just 1 week of B1 and a short morning walk, my legs started listening again." That's not magic. That's simple science. Vitamin D3 is like the main switch in your body's control panel. Without it, bones stop absorbing calcium, muscles weaken, balance fades. It's not just about strong bones, it's about confident steps, steady movement, and freedom. One study found that just 800 IU of D3 daily increased leg strength by 19% in seniors in just 5 days. Take it in the morning, after a meal with healthy fats, like eggs or salmon. One small capsule can unlock movement again. Then there's B12, the silent nerve vitamin. Without it, your legs go numb, your balance falters, your mind fogs. It's not dementia, it's often a deficiency. Mr. Harold, 69, came in thinking he was losing his memory. The truth, he was dangerously low on B12. After a few weeks of the right dose, his legs steadied, his mind sharpened, his smile returned. Segment 7, timing is everything. Tone, informative, reassuring. Vitamins only work when taken at the right time. D3, in the morning, after a fatty meal. B1, also in the morning, for daily energy. B12, at midday, never at night, and never with coffee or tea. It's not just what you take, it's when and how you take it that makes all the difference. Here's a routine I give to my patients. Morning, a warm glass of milk, vitamin D3, and B1. Lunch, light veggies, protein, and B12 under the tongue. Afternoon, a gentle 15-minute walk in the sun. That's it. No magic, just rhythm, consistency, and the right support. I've seen patients walk into my clinic with tired eyes and walk out with hope because they realized their body hadn't given up. It just needed to be heard. Don't let quiet deficiencies become loud regrets. Listen to your legs. Listen to your balance. Begin again today. Have you felt some of these signs? Do your legs feel like they're no longer yours? If so, don't wait. Share your story in the comments. Let's learn from one another. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about, because health is a gift and sharing it helps it grow stronger. Take care of your legs and keep walking, gently, confidently, but never stop. Dear friend, I want you to pause for a moment. Close your eyes and ask yourself, have I truly understood my body? You might be thinking, I've lived 60, 70 years. What's left to understand? But you'd be surprised how many of the fatigue spells, leg cramps, unsteady steps, and sleepless nights aren't caused by aging, but by your body missing the most basic things no one ever showed you how to replenish. The biggest misconception after 60? It's normal for the body to grow weak. One of my patients, Miriam, 66, once said to me at the clinic, "Doctor, I can still walk, but it's like my legs don't want to move. I'm not in pain. I just feel drained. I asked, "Have you ever taken vitamins regularly?" She replied, "I eat well, and besides, isn't weakness at this age normal?" And that's exactly what I want you and so many older adults to understand. Not everything you're feeling is simply due to aging. Often, it's because your body is not being replenished properly. Your body hasn't forgotten, but it needs to be spoken to at the right time. When you were younger, skipping a meal or losing sleep didn't slow you down. But after 50, your body becomes more delicate, slower to respond, and less efficient at absorbing nutrients. For example, your stomach doesn't produce enough acid to absorb B12 from meat. Your skin can't make enough vitamin D3 from sunlight like it used to. Your kidneys and liver process vitamins more slowly, and if you take antacids, diabetes meds, or drink alcohol, absorption drops dramatically. You're not growing weaker. You just need the right kind of support. The right vitamin at the wrong time is still wrong. I often tell my patients, vitamins are like sunlight. At the right time, they brighten everything. At the wrong time, they're wasted. You can buy expensive vitamins, but if you take them at the wrong time, your body either won't absorb them or will absorb very little. So today, I want to share with you a small but powerful secret. Take vitamins at the right time, and your body will absorb them fully, work more efficiently, and you'll see results in just days. Morning, vitamin D3. Take with healthy fats. Vitamin D3 is fat-soluble. That means if you take it on an empty stomach or after a light meal, most of it gets flushed away. Best time to take? In the morning, after a meal with healthy fats. Some examples: 1 boiled egg, a spoon of olive oil in your oats, full-fat milk or yogurt, a serving of grilled salmon or canned tuna. D3 helps your body absorb calcium, but that's just the beginning. It also calms the nervous system, reduces mild muscle pain, and even lifts your mood, something many older adults overlook. Morning, vitamin B1. Wake up your energy. Vitamin B1 or thiamine and helps your legs move lighter, especially through the afternoon. I recommend 50 to 100 milligrams of B1 after breakfast, ideally at the same time as your D3. Avoid taking B1 too late in the day. It can make you overly alert and may interfere with sleep. Midday, vitamin B12. Alert, balanced, connected. Vitamin B12 is key to your nerves, reflexes, and memory. But here's the catch. If you take it too late in the day, it may keep you too alert and disturb your sleep. Best time? Right after lunch, between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Here's what I suggest to my patients. Take B12 under the tongue or in lozenge form. It absorbs better. Avoid taking with coffee or tea. They block absorption. Combine it with a light meal, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fat, like steamed fish, tofu, or boiled greens. One of my patients, Dennis, 70, after 3 weeks of proper B12 supplementation, told me something I'll never forget. Not only could I walk more steadily, but my mind felt clear. I remembered my grandson's name again. It's not about what you take, but when and how. Think of it this way. Taking D3 without fats equals like pouring water on dry sand. Taking B1 after dinner equals like turning on the engine before bed. Taking B12 after 5 p.m. equals like having coffee at 10 at night. The same vitamin, if taken at the wrong time, can lose 70 to 90% of its effectiveness. But when taken correctly, you may begin to feel stronger legs in just a few days, fewer leg cramps at night, lighter, quicker steps, a sense of clarity like reconnecting with yourself again. A new day, a simple healing routine. Let me suggest a simple daily rhythm, one I give to my older patients. Wake up and drink a glass of warm water. Light breakfast, boiled egg, oats, full-fat milk. Take vitamin D3 plus vitamin B1. Midday, eat lightly, steamed veggies, grilled fish or tofu. Take vitamin B12, sublingual or lozenge. Afternoon, walk gently for 15 to 20 minutes. Stay hydrated, relax your mind. Evening, no more vitamins. Unwind, read, and sleep early. You don't need to do more, Just do it right and do it regularly. Healing doesn't come from drastic change. It comes from small things done right, repeated, patiently, and with care. You don't need 10 different supplements. You only need 3 key vitamins taken at the right time with a little daily motivation. A final word from someone who's 60. I'm 60 years old. I know what slow mornings feel like. But I also know what it feels like when your legs regain strength, your memory sharpens, and you realize you're still alive, still full of potential, not limited by age. You don't have to endure aging. You can live actively, intentionally, if you begin the right way. So are you ready? If you're already taking vitamins, are you taking them at the right time? If not, are you ready to try starting your day a little differently, more gently, more purposefully? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every story because each one is a lesson, and we grow stronger when we learn together. Dear friend, if something I shared today sparked a memory, resonated with your experience, or simply gave you hope, then I invite you to walk this journey with us. Tap like if you found the video helpful. Hit subscribe so you won't miss future videos to help you live stronger, deeper, and more independently. And don't forget to share this video with a friend, a neighbor, a loved one, because sometimes one small piece of information can make a big difference in someone's life. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Smart Healthcare, where better health begins with understanding.